Hello. So today I've been making improvements to my website based on feedback that I had from my mum today. So one of the problems with my website was that I had way too many subheadings, such as, music and videos. So as you can see, when I drag it back, you can see there's a lot of options. And she suggested that, and it's a good idea, so music and videos, they all fit under gallery. And I think it'll make the website a bit more interactive if we do so. So I drag it both to the right at the bottom of gallery, and here is the result. You scroll there and this subheadings appear. Another issue with my website was that it was too pink. So what I had to do, because the heading was also very pink, I changed the design. It was from here, which was a bit too much, I think, with theme. I changed it to a darker color, and I thought this would fit really well with in gallery. The Zyra's album, it has, a visionette. So I think if I got the colors a bit more correct, it will link to Synergy. And lastly, another issue that I had was store. I had to rename it. So what I did was go to that drop down, rename to store. Before it was called merchandise, which was really hard to understand, and especially for a wider audience. Merch is more for a younger audience. So I think to appeal to more variety of people, I changed it back to store. And so this is what we have available.